What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another banger. Yo, this one right here, I'm not even gonna say another banger. This is the banger, people. Hold on a second. This is something that's coming to us from Fidelity Investments. And if you know about Fidelity here in the US, Fidelity has been around since like 1950. So right now I'm in the back office of Fidelity Quantitative. This is a connection of Fidelity Investments and Coinbase and Coinhub. And all the partners you'll see at the bottom when I get to that. But right now, we're just going to go through what we have right here in the back. So this is something we don't have to worry about a rug pull, pretty much. I mean, in Fidelity rug pulls, you can't trust nobody. You might just you just don't even do none of this ever again. That's all I can tell you. I mean, the company's been around. They got like 300 billion or more in assets that they're trading and or investing and doing whatever they're doing with it. They have insurance companies. They got it all. Fidelity is the bomb. So, excuse me. So now they're in this space with AI quantitative trading. Project description: the touring of a digital economy era is rolling in, and the connection between cryptocurrency assets and daily life has become closer. The mining, trading, and management and value-added of digital assets are also becoming the hottest topic in the global digital economy. This is a big thing, people. Crypto, AI technology. You don't think the big boys with the big money not going to get into this? They've been in this. They're just trying to offer it now to us so that everybody, every man, every woman, anybody that wants to be an investor can grow the income that they have that they can invest and plus tell others and grow a bigger income. So it's great for the investor and it's great for the marketer too. Fidelity Fund, once again, to solve a series of problems faced individual investors in cryptocurrency, invested in large income fluctuations, all the different things that like just what just happened to us in the last 2-3 weeks since May 12th. Bitcoin just, I mean, I don't know what happened. Bitcoin, BNB, all of them just went all over the place. A lot of companies closed their doors because they couldn't handle the effect, and it hit a lot of homes and a lot of pockets, and a lot of people lost a lot of good money that they was making on a daily basis. Me being one of them, just because of the fluctuation of Bitcoin. So now we have a big dog in the market in the space that's doing an awesome job of keeping these things running. And I knew something like this was going to come. And believe me, many more are going to come after they find out about Fidelity Investments, Fidelity Fund, getting in connected. Everything Fidelity like that, that's all under the same roof. Getting connected so that we can all trade through AI with a serious company. This can be like the last business you build. Once you build this one and it goes somewhere, then you can build more stuff. But this ain't gonna be one of the ones you should be looking over your shoulder, trying to see if it's going to rug pull, because it shouldn't. I mean, it's USA, SEC. They might have been around before SEC. I don't know the years of the SEC, but man, I'm trying to tell you, we do know that this has been around for a while. And I hope you've been reading while I've been paused and talking, because I just got it going slow, so you can read more. I'm not going to read all this. Fidelity Fund, Fidelity Investments was a 72-year history, and $7 trillion in assets under management is invested heavily in artificial intelligence. I don't know what else to say from there. 72 years. I'm not even 72. I'm almost, I'm a lot more than half of it, but I'm not even 72. History. 7 trillion in assets under their management. Blockchain and virtual reality technologies, investing 2.5 billion in technology research and development every year. It says Fidelity Lab to promote innovation. In terms of blockchain, Fidelity Investments participated in mining when Bitcoin was $180. They've been in the space. They know the game. They're just letting us get in there. So now it goes in order to actively deploy digital finance and AI intelligence. They started quantitative trading in 2012, Fidelity Fund formally invested in Drive Wealth. So in 2012, Drive Wealth was invented. We'll say, well, invested in Drive Wealth, a pioneer in the field of zero equity trading, and quickly built into an industry benchmark in the field of digital economic trading with a market value of over $3 billion. 2021, Fidelity Fund will formally acquire Coinhub. They already did it. So they own Coinhub. I don't know if do I need to keep reading this for anybody else? I mean, I'm trying to save as much of my space and my voice that I have, but do I need to keep reading this? Oh my gosh. I mean, it's right here. This is under account. And when you click on account, you click on, I'll show you, matter of fact, let's go back. Go to account, then you come down to Help Center, and this is under project introduction. And that's where we're at. And we're all the way at the bottom. So let's see, where was this 300? Okay. While the capital and team technically supported provided by Fidelity Fund, Coinhub currently has more than 300 elites in the financial technology industry. Big dogs, big dogs, big dogs. So Fidelity purchased Coinhub. So they own it all. You can't just buy a Coinhub with pennies. They're definitely not getting it with Snap and NBT. So they got money. They got money. So fields such as DeFi, game, social, meta excuse me, y'all, for global investments to create a better asset management experience. In order to promote the full popularization of AI quantitative trading in the field of digital economy and even traditional assets management 2022, Fidelity Fund will also use Coinhub, AI intelligent quantitative trading to enable more high quality capital industry resources to generate greater transaction value. Fidelity Fund AI intelligent quantum investment platform, the global leader in the digital financial transaction ecosystem, global leader. So this is the proof in the pudding before we even get into this. Because there ain't no way in the world you put all this on this website and these people find out. These people, they got lawyers. They lawyers got lawyers. That's how rich these people are. So you come over here. That's pretty much where you go ahead and you can read everything that's going on in the company under that. Then you got to hit the backspace because I'm on a computer. Obviously, you can see. You can do this on your phone. I like the computer because it's bigger and I can see it. And then you just come through and see all the great things that's going on. So we can earn through static income. According to our investment amount pledge, we will get our static income. So whatever you pledge, like whatever you invest, that's what your static income, that's what they call it. That's what hedge funds do. They give it different names. Dynamic income, according to your own investment assets, we invite the number of direct subordinates to increase the additional income ratio for ourselves. So when you refer and grow your team, your income will go up. Team income, we will invite user A to join. User A invites user B invites user C, and the static income generated by user A, B, and C can generate income commission. So not only will you get a commission for people being under you, your investment percentage goes up while you're building your team. And let's just go through this real quick. Right here, Coinhub. You see that at the top. You can't make this up. Pledge income, static revenue. So if you pledge $100 USDT, it's the minimum. You could choose cycle 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, or 90 days. You got dynamic revenue, user pledge amount. So if you do 1,000 USDT or 5,000 or 10,000 or 20,000, first class agent, once you get your first 3 people, you go up 0.20%. So if this is doing between 0.8 and 1.8 daily, and most of the people say they've been getting anywhere between 1.4 and 1.6 daily. Once you get 3 people and invest $1,000, you go up 0.20. So that means you're always pretty much going to be over 1% a day. If it ever does 0.8, you'll be at 1% because you get the extra 0.2. So if you put in 5,000 and you get 6 people under you, you got 0.4, you're making probably 1.2 if it ever hits 0.8. And I'm just going back to the bottom so you can see what you would get if you actually, if it just always hit the bottom. But nobody has never seen it hit the bottom yet. So I'm just telling you, this is what you would get. So with $20,000 invested, you'll get 0.8%. So that means if it ever hits 0.8, you'll be making 1.6% daily. So them days is 1.6, it'll be 2.4. Or 2.8, it'll be 3. If it ever 2.8, you'll be 3.6. I don't know if it's gonna be that high, but what I'm saying, that's what you can make in a day just from investing and bringing in people. Now, people that can put in this amount of money, they can bring in this amount of people. You know what I'm saying? So it's just going to be easy. It's going to be easy peasy. And all the people have to do is have $100. They don't need to have what he has in there or she has in there. All they need to have is $100 minimum per person. Requirements for obtaining value. Help value 1. The user's pledge amount must reach the corresponding amount. 2, the number of invited first level agents must reach the corresponding value. So pretty much to get that, you got to have this exactly what we just went over. Team revenue. Leader profits, 20% first level, 10% second level, 5% third level. That's crazy, people. You're getting 20% off of everything your person does on the in the 24-hour period. So it says leader profits 20% of the total static profit of the first level agent, 10% of the total static profit of the second level agent, and 5% of the total static profit of the third level agent. Invite users to pledge more than 100 USD to be considered as a valid invitation. So it has to have more than 100 USD for anybody to sign up and start. That's all you got to start with, 100 USD. But remember, it's USD ERC20. And you have to have some Ethereum inside your wallet when you're moving it. So if you do like me and connect it to your Metamask wallet, you will have to have Ethereum and USDT. So I don't have neither. I don't have no ETH. And I know I just added USDT over here. I don't have neither. I have BNB. So and you can from smart chain to you can swap from smart chain to then I have some BUSD. I got that, so that's actually like $11. And I got some BNB. You can actually swap from here because all I gotta do is go from BNB and swap to USDT. But then when I swap it to USDT, I mean you're going to it's gonna be some change. It says review swap, $298. You will end up losing. The fee is cheap. Well, maybe earlier when I did that, you need 0.09 more BNB to clear. Okay, of course, but you're actually going to get close to what that says when you swap it. So you can swap it in MetaMask from your smart chain side to your Ethereum side. You can't do nothing while I was in there, so you got to cancel that out. So all you got to do is, go back and forth between, you can go to the Ethereum side. Say if you only got ETH and you don't have USDT, all you do is come down here and click on import tokens, USDT. Mine's is light because I already have it. Click on it. It's going to ask you after that. It's going to say next, and then it's going to say add token. You click add token, and you got it. And that's all you got to do. So then when it's time to swap, just swap it over to one of these two. And then you're going to have to at least buy about $10 to $20 worth of Ethereum because Ethereum is expensive. Maybe one day it might go down, but right now it ain't. All right. So let's go back over here. Go back. So more reading materials. So it'll let you know, according to the static income, the user himself invests USDT tokens for AI quantitative trading, resulting in a floating static income ratio. The floating ratio on the day is up to 1.8%. 1.8%. The pledge period is 1 day. The force value static income ratio is 0.2 to 0.8. The pledge period for 7 days, the force value static income ratio is 0.4 to 1.0. The pledge period is 30 days. The force value static income for ratio is 0.6 to 1.4. The pledge period of 90 days, the force value is 0.8 to 1.8. So pretty much when you put your money in, go for the 90 days. Always go for the 90 days. You make more money. They hold your money longer, but you make more money from it. And then as your team builds, you're just making more money from everything. So the above seed income ratio generated by user investment, team benefits. In order to further promote the global market strategy of Phil Coinhub, AI Quantitative Trading, all right, that was the queen. All right, so the above income team benefits in order, okay, have launched the position of gold agent, and gold agent will enjoy massive team commissions reward every day. Who wants to be an old gold agent? Everybody wants to be a gold agent. Team leaders receive 20% of the total profit of the first level agent static income, 10% of the secondary static income, and 5% of the third level income. You can share your invitation code with your friends. If your friends join, you can get a percentage of the static income as your bonus. You can get your invitation code on the team's page. It isn't in here, but in the presentation or the video I did before this one, well, the one I used from my upline, he explains that it's not 20% of what they put in, it's going to be 20% of what they make daily, which is better because you're making 20% of what they make daily every day. So once they make over 100% and you're still making 20%, that means you make more than what you ever would have made. If that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Once they hit their 100% mark, you're making 20% of everything they're making. Like say, if they want to put in $100, you would have got $20. But if they put in $100 and over time they get their $100 back and then it just keeps going, you're still making money. So it's better this way. It's just more long term. You got to just, do what you got to do, stick in there, but it's worth it. You're in a company that's a real company, people. You just don't know how I'm feeling right now. Don't know how I'm feeling right now. And this is totally brand new. So how to join? I have a PDF in the comments that you could use. If you want to use Coinbase, it's in there. If you want to use Metamask, it's in there. Just use my link. Like what you could do on here is like you just come on here. Show you where to find it. Team, go to friends, share with your friends. So if they just need this code, then you will just put this code. But if they're asking for the link, what you mostly going to need is this link. You take this link and all you got to do is open up a new browser while your MetaMask wallet is there and paste it. Now, if you have your Coinbase wallet the same way, and this will come up. So what this part is just more money for another opportunity within the opportunity. So they're coming up with a token, the FUB token. So this token, you need a $3,000 as a minimum to invest. And everybody that you tell, you'll get paid off of it. But this is going to be huge too. It's going to be huge too. And another part of team direct reward, activity content, you'll see all these on the front when you first come in. It's just crazy. There's so much stuff going on in this company. It makes no sense. But what you do, once you come over here, yeah, that's what I mean. That's it. You use my link. And then you'll see my link up there, TBJ57P. And then what you'll do is you'll connect. See, I'm connected. You'll connect to your MetaMask. And once you connect to your MetaMask, it'll give you your own link. But that's all you got to do to make sure that we stay within, the same hierarchy. Since, if I told you first, it'd be a blessing if you make sure that we're on the same team. You know what I'm saying? Would be a blessing. We make sure we be on the same team. Right? All right. So let's go back. Account, help center. Let me see something real quick. Yeah, funding details. Got a whole bunch of different ones. Okay, yeah. Like I said, I didn't put anything in here yet. I'm just trying to go over the schematics. So we just went over how to join. Make sure you got ETH and USDT ERC20. All right, Coinhub will deliver the income to the treasure box on time every day. And Coinhub, you see names like that, it just make you feel all gooey inside. You know what I'm saying? Investors open the treasure box to receive the income today. Earnings are automatically deposited into the balance of the AI quantitative trading account. Enter the personal center, click withdraw to withdraw account funds. And that's where you will find your funds at. So whatever you need is back here. Whatever you need is back here. Future development plan. So this goes through all the different things that they're going to do. They're talking about Doge are all synonymous with SpaceX. Everything is tied and each other cannot be centered. Future Coinbase Fidelity Fund together with Musk. They will continue to develop in the metaverse field together with Musk. I don't want to tell you that. I don't even, it's talking about the FUB coin. So this FUB coin is coming. It's coming and it's coming vast. And this is going to be part of everything that we're talking about right now. So once again, we understand people, speed wins. Speed wins. So you come over to the team. You can see where your team. So I just put the video out earlier. Like I tell you, speed wins and people know a great program. So there's 2 people already in the videos still streaming. Previewing for the first time. And 2 people have already came in to check it out. You know what I'm saying? And then you can come down here and you can see that's your third level. That's your second level. And that's your first level. And you'll be able to see it all under your team. And then you'll see it as it adds up. And then what I got from the other video is that once people join you, all your money will go together in one place inside your treasure box. All your money will end up in the treasure box. You can see your static income, your dynamic income, all will be right here in one place. 60 days. That was what I was telling you about the FUB token that you want to get in now, but you got a minimum of $3,000. See that right there? Minimum $3,000. You can pledge it, make income over it, but you'll still have that many FUB tokens. I mean, you're going to be killing it. You're going to be killing it. Going to be killing it. Like we just said, income. We just went over the treasure box. Pledge. We just talked about these VIP plans. So they're gone. So how do we get money into this piece? Glad you asked. All right. So the first thing we got to do is when we want to put money in here, we got to get money to here so that we can be able to pledge it. Because you can't pledge unless you have your money already invested inside of this beautiful, 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 beautiful program. And then you see the partners. Look what they partners with. That's the Fidelity Investments logo. That's Coinbase. That's Metamask. That's Binance. That's who it partners with. So, I mean, I don't think you have to really try to figure anything out when it comes to trying to figure out who this company is. This is who they partner with. And they're not just putting these logos up here just so you to see that the logos are there. The logos are there because that's who they're connected to. All right, so without further ado, we're going to show you how to load your money up in here. So what you got to do is come to account. So whichever account you connected to, if you got your Coinbase, because you can connect Coinbase to Chrome and start a wallet, but Coinbase is so slow for me, and I have money in Metamask already. So I connected my Metamask, but you can't have Coinbase up there using Metamask. It shut down my whole operation. All my stuff that I have running on Metamask, Coinbase was intercepting it. So that thing is pretty strong. So if you're not going to use Coinbase, I would say don't even put it up here. If you're not going to use Coinbase, because it's going to interrupt everything. Like I can't even go to some of my other programs and look at what I made so far because it wasn't connected to my Metamask wallet because Coinbase was blocking it. And there was no way to turn it off. So what you do is when you get here, you can have it. You can either have it so you can see it or have it so it's blocked. You can hit subscription, and then you got to put the amount in here. And after you put the amount in here, you click subscription. So say you want to do 500. Subscription. See how my MetaMask wallet pops up? Give permission to do a USDT. So what I got to do is move the money over here. And it's letting you know it's only charging me $7 $547 in gas fees to move $500. So to move $500 from my MetaMask wallet and ETH here, all I need is well, that just went down. See, ETH, that's what I'm saying. ETH, I don't understand ETH. Got to spend more time with it to really figure it out. I just know it's expensive, but it's dropped like $1. So then it's cheaper for me to send it if I wanted to send it right now than it was when I looked the first time. So it's best probably let that little timer go out, see if you get a better price. But if it go up, I mean, yeah, it goes up. Just wait again, let the timer go out, see if you get a better price, and see what you may get. But you're gonna have to pay this gas fee, so you're gonna need that in ETH. So to send the USDT ERC20, you gotta have at least $10 to $15 in $10 to $15 in ETH, and then you need to have the rest of the money in the USDT E as in Echo RC20. All right, I hope I broke that down the best I could. And then once you do that, it takes about 5-10 minutes, like it said, and then go straight in there. I just didn't want to make a video so long swapping the ETH and waiting for all that. I want to make sure I look at some videos because I haven't did it yet. So I want to make sure when I swap it, I mean, it looks like it's just that simple. I just want to have to come over here, swap from here to here, and just pick swap from BNB and just pick USDT and just put it in there. But then I'm gonna have, when I get it over there on the other side as USDT, I'm gonna have to take some of the USDT and make it ETH, which, you know, probably just is, I don't know if I can do that on this side. Let me see. No. Yeah, because this is the other side. But because this is the smart chain side. So over here, I gotta cancel swap. Go over here, Ethereum magnet. So you can see my ETH in here. So if I wanted to swap ETH, well, I don't want to swap. Let's pick DAI. No, I'm gonna DAI up there. That's the USDDC. So if I'm gonna swap USDT for ETH, then I will have to do it that way. Yeah. So say if you just wanted to swap $10 and you click review swap, 10 ETH 0.5 when a USDT equals that. Still not really kind of telling me. I mean, I'm sure it's a fee here. It's just not really showing that it's a fee. But no, you don't do nothing for free. Nothing's free in this space. So that's what you'll end up with. That's what you'll end up with when it is time for you. And then once that goes out, the quotes change. So I don't know if that went up, went down. Too many numbers for me to keep up with. But I'm gonna pull some more money from another account, but I need to do that on another video. And then I'll go ahead and put what I want to put in here. Yeah. So hey, this your boy Terrence Gibson. And then, okay, hold up, one more spot before we even go. Pledge. So when you time to pledge, whatever you just did from account and subscription and put in there, obviously you can see this is where you withdraw from too. So on the account side, you subscribe and you withdraw. And you got your help center, you got your funding details, you got everything that you need here to help you out. And make sure you connect it to your MetaMask wallet. But you got, like I said, ETH scan comes automatically with the MetaMask wallet. You gotta add BNB scan or you gotta add Smart Chain. Ethereum, I call it ETH scan. Ethereum mainnet. What is it? Ethereum mainnet comes with it. As soon as you download it, it's there. But you have to add Smart Chain. So you'll always have this. You just got to come down here and click import tokens to add USDT so that you'll have both. And then you'll have all the coins that you'll have. And so when you come over to pledge, the money that you just put in that way, it'll be here for you to use. And then all you got to do is come here and pledge. You click max, pledge it all for 90 days. How many ever days you want to do it, because remember, you make more from 90 days and then you'll make more as your team grows. You know what I'm saying? All right, beautiful people, like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. This thing is awesome. This is a reputable big dog company. Shoot, I mean, I don't even know what the shoot, it came up by itself. Fidelity Investments. So real company. Retirement plans, investing, brokers. This is a what you call it? Golly, where's the name? All companies always lying to you, telling you they're trying to do this with the SEC. Golly, we just said it earlier. I ain't gonna say brokerage, but this is SEC. I mean, this is a real company, people. A real company. Headquarters in Boston, 1-800 number. CEO Abigail. I don't know what the heck. Abigail makes them. Wow. And look at this. Assets under management now, 4.5 trillion. Subsidiaries. I mean, woo, hedge fund. That's the name I was looking for. It might be in there somewhere by the look. But it's a real company, people. So, and it's been around longer than we've been around, unless you 70 years old, 72 years old. So if you're 73, you got them. But if you're not, you don't. But this is the company that's backing this awesome company that we're talking about right now. And you see, I just got it as a link. So make sure that you use my link. Once you click my link, make sure your MetaMask wallet is open and connected. And then once you do that, then you can, play around, get your ETH and your USDT. I'm gonna do another video funding my account. So that way I'll have 3 videos up. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you gotta do in this space. You know what I'm saying? Do what you gotta do you gotta do in this space. And if they just ask for the back of my code, just the code, invitation code without the link, you can just put in the TBJ57P. But if you got the link in there also, so you need a link, just use the link. All right, beautiful people, it's your boy Terrence Gibson saying like, subscribe, rock that bell. We got something real here, people. Something real with a company that's been around forever. You know what I'm saying? Forever, but 72 years is a long time. That's grandma time. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Some grandma time. All right. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join the team. It's not much homework you got to do when it comes to Fidelity. You can just go to their site, see what they got going on, go in the back office, see everything that's going on, and you make your decision. But like I said, speed wins. Because other than you getting behind somebody else, now if you get behind me, this is very brand new. So, but you still got time to talk to people I didn't talk to yet. You know what I'm saying? All right, people. All right. God bless. Start your faith walk now.